What this?
I think this is what we call here is Baguio beans.
What this?
I don't know what it is. Only I know is there is an egg.
I asked Tita don't know the poster picture, don't know what food is it. The,
What is that? I know this is egg, nothing more.